The Honda Pilot's infotainment system is a touchscreen interface that manages navigation, audio, climate control, and vehicle settings. Sometimes the system freezes due to software issues, overheating, or connectivity problems. Resetting can resolve these issues. There are three main types of resets: basic reboot for minor glitches, hard reset for unresponsive screens, and factory reset to restore original settings. Recent Honda software updates for 2019 and newer models have reduced freezing incidents by up to 40%. The 2024 Pilot features a more reliable system, though resets may still be needed occasionally. For 2016-2018 models, outdated firmware is common and requires updates via USB or dealer visits. For a basic reboot, press and hold the power button on the infotainment screen for 10 to 15 seconds until the system shuts down. Wait 30 seconds, then restart the vehicle. For a hard reset, simultaneously press and hold the power button and the volume knob for 20 to 30 seconds. The system will reboot and you can reconnect paired devices afterward. For a factory reset on 2019 and newer models, go to Settings, then System, then Factory Reset. Confirm and enter the vehicle's PIN, which is usually 0000. The system reboots after 5 to 10 minutes. For frozen screens, common causes include overheating or software conflicts. Park in shade to cool down, or try closing conflicting apps. As a last resort for frozen screens, disconnect the car battery for 10 minutes to reset the entire system. This may require reprogramming at a dealership. Always check for over-the-air updates first using the Honda Link app. These updates often fix issues before they require resets. If problems persist after resets and updates, seek professional service at a Honda dealership. Resets are often temporary fixes, and proactive software updates are key to long-term stability.